Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts.
Hey guys, it's James with the Chart Guys. It is Tuesday, November 21st. Going to do my nightly video on oil. So we did have some consolidation. So the measure of strength is going to be as long as we hold above 54.81 on this weekly longer term chart, because we've been setting higher lows on these pullbacks, higher low on this pullback, higher low on this pullback. And this week we already broke above last week's high of 57.15. We got above it at 57.22. So very healthy for the bulls. We have so far last week have bulls buying the dip, and this week we have bulls buying the dip as well. We have inventory reports tomorrow. Once it lost the upper Bollinger Band on the weekly, again we expected healthy consolidation. I still expect a back test of this 200 MA in the near future. It's still descending. It's at 58.46, and it looks like the upper Bollinger Band, and that's going to line up soon. So look for another back test of these resistances of the upper Bollinger Band weekly and this 200 MA on oil. As far as the daily goes. As far as the daily goes, consolidation here. We're in consolidation, broke bear on it, had some increasing bear volume here. And then we're having a bounce here play out. We're still above the 20 MA, middle Bollinger Band on the daily. We have a TCG bull cross once again where the 40 MA green line is above the 80 MA. And so the resistance I'd watch for overnight is that 57.22. So looking good for the bulls if we can break today's high on inventory reports tomorrow. If we do break today's highs before the inventory report, then I would look at this resistance, this recent high here at 57.92, break of 57.92 on inventory reports. It's going to be very strong, and I'm going to expect another back test for us go for this upper Bollinger Band again. Upper Bollinger Band currently is at, daily is at 58.32, and starting to tighten up a little bit. Starting to tighten up a little bit, which would be healthy after this really nice move upwards. So we have lots of supports here on oil. Bulls are still in full control in my opinion here. And I will change my tune on oil and start looking for a bear position if we lose this recent low of 54.81 here. If we lose that low of 54.81, and looks like that lines up with the 8 EMA on the weekly. If we lose that 8 EMA and lose this price support here, and we get a TCG bear cross on the weekly, that's when I will begin to start shorting oil longer term or mid term, but not so much long term. As far as the daily goes, 54.81 lines up with this candle here, so that is the support to look for, and until at least that support's broken, I'm not going to look for a short. And if we are able to break to a higher high above 57.92 in the short term time period, and we set a lower high, then what we need to do is set a higher low above this and see if we're in an equilibrium pattern of higher lows and lower highs. But if we break below this 54.81 support, that's the daily and the weekly support, price support, then I would start looking for a short oil entry in the midterm. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.